Hello, welcome to Senja Semeja. Selalu ada tempat buat kamu. Today, we are at Butter Protein Club, and I am Radia Barata, your host for today and for the show. And today, I would like to invite somebody very special to come have lunch with me. Come on in, Mom.
Tapi kita harus berhenti dulu karena katanya bapak parkir itu mau ada mobil ya? Oh enggak.
Oh, enggak. Okay, let's go on in. Come on.
Asik, aku diajak makan.
Okay, so Butter Protein Club itu terkenal dengan
No seed oils,
no seed oils, which means
which means dia nggak pakai seed oil untuk minyaknya. Makanya aku penasaran minyak apa ya kan? Seed oil tuh kayak canola gitu, which is not good for your health.
kan Sofyan Hafida terkenal sehat-sehat.
Amin.
Jadi kita harus makan yang sehat-sehat.
Jadi kalau nggak ada mama, kamu makannya nggak sehat.
Iya dong,
maksudnya.
udah pasti. Dev tahu pasti kan. Ayo. Oke, kita sudah duduk, sudah dapat meja. Sekarang kita mau apa? Mau pesan?
Aku lapar loh, Dek.
So it's actually quite interesting because I like beef, I like steak, I like stuff that's kind of medium rare. Even though pas aku kecil nggak boleh makan medium rare karena mama takut.
Iya, kalau masih ada darah-darahnya.
Yeah. Did you know that it's actually not darah? It's myoglobin. So fat is made up of I think 75% water or 95% water. So whatever comes out, that red stuff is actually myoglobin. It's not blood.
Are you sure?
Yes, you can
Where
Google
did you
it.
get this stuff?
You can Google it,
Marah
trust
nggak sih
me.
dia?
No. I'll put the fact right here. It is myoglobin.
Bener ya?
Yeah.
Harus ada, nggak boleh dari majalah apa gitu.
No.
nggak?
It's
Kalau
trust me.
perlu ada peer review,
No,
based
trust me.
studies.
It's got a couple cuts of meat. Beda-beda, ada tenderloin, ada rib eye, and then tenderloin black Angus, ada rump steak, picanha steak, minced beef, and beef patty.
Minced beef ini pasti paling murah sama beef patty.
Yeah.
Ya kan?
Kok beef patty sama minced beef dibedakan? Bukannya beef patty itu basically minced beef?
Iya sih.
Iya, karena nggak di mash aja gitu.
Iya, bukan di mash, di shape, dibentuk.
But I mean it's the same price, so.
Iya makanya kan.
Jadi ternyata ada high protein gelato di sini yang isinya 11 gram protein. Let's turn it around. 11 gram protein. What is inside a high protein gelato? Like protein powder? Or?
Maybe, ntar kita tanya aja kenapa.
High
Katanya sih
protein,
low sugar,
guilt-free.
guilt-free, high protein.
What is guilt free? Like
Ya maksudnya nggak ada apa ya
Preservatives.
gula lemak. Tapi enggak sih dia nggak bilang sugar free juga
Bukan.
kan?
low sugar.
Oh, low sugar itu kali ya guilt free-nya. High protein tiramisu. Nah kalau ini mungkin telurnya yang tinggi
Right.
mungkin.
You just put more eggs in or
Maybe egg whites.
egg whites?
'Cause-
Is that also egg? So the protein in eggs are from egg whites.
Yeah, mostly because if you use the yellow itu memang proteinnya not as much. But people tend to forget. Orang suka lupa kalau sebenarnya di putihnya walaupun proteinnya tinggi, di kuningnya itu choline-nya yang tinggi.
What is choline?
It's your brain food. Mas Agus, thank you. Mas, sorry aku mau nanya dulu. Sebenarnya kan katanya ini no seed oil.
Ya,
Emangnya pakai apa?
oh,
Kalau
kita no seed oil, kita pakai beef tallow oil.
Oh, semua beef
Ya,
tallow di
semua
sini.
beef tallow pakainya, ya.
Yeay.
Konsep kita no seed oil gitu.
Wow. Tapi orang kalau mau ekstra kayak mau extra virgin olive oil gitu bisa?
Bisa ekstra
Itu side.
itu side-nya ya.
Oh,
Boleh
gitu
ekstra.
juga. Wow, good
Boleh
fats,
di-request.
good fats. Oke. Udah itu aja pertanyaan
Terima
saya.
kasih Mas Agus.
Thank you ya, sorry ya, malah banyak nanya.
Terima kasih. Let's
Apa
do
kita makan
Let's do
aja?
first taste test.
Tapi aku kalau first taste itu selalu makan sayur dulu ya, Dek. Kamu nggak mau nanya why?
Why?
Because when you put your fiber in first,
Huh?
apa namanya? Ini dari POV insulin sensitivity. Jadi supaya insulinnya nggak langsung melonjak ke atas.
Okay.
Tapi kalau dilihat dari sisi orang protein, pasti mereka masukinnya yang daging dulu karena mereka biasanya habis olahraga, habis nge-gym biar proteinnya
Protein.
ngehit dulu.
So it fixes the muscles.
Ya, gitu. Jadi ya tetap ya guys, tergantung melihat mau dari sisi mana. Broccoli is good.
Not actually cooked.
By the way, Dek, ini kan bukan acara kuliner ya?
No.
Senja semeja itu biasanya bahas apa aja, Dek?
Basically, senja semeja itu tentang just what people talk about when they eat and just letting food connect people, connect me to other people. I have a pretty special episode planned in Jakarta. It's
Oh,
it's a really popular place right now,
Hmm.
and I have to say it's in the airport. Yeah.
Buat makan apa?
No, the place isn't in the airport. I mean, they have a place in the airport. Kalau misalnya kalian ada rekomendasi ke tempat mana ke Jakarta, let me know. Let us know. Or di Jogja even. Yang menarik, harus menarik.
Solo.
Harus
Wah.
unik. Can be coffee, can be food, as long as it's menarik.
As long as it has a table.
Yeah. So, I heard di Solo itu ada matcha where you have to go into the guy's house. Shout out ke matcha teman ini. I'll edit. Yang
Namanya,
punya
Abraham Wenas.
Abraham Wenas. I do want to go there. Mungkin kalau kita ada waktu kita ke Solo and try their matcha. Yang I heard is ceremonial. What is ceremonial grade actually? I'm curious.
Adalah itu berlaku untuk yang Mama tahu ya,
Huh.
matcha and cacao.
So they use it for ceremonies. Where in the world?
Macam-macam. Intinya usually ceremony biasanya karena it's like higher class for level sultan gitulah ceritanya, atau kalau ada tamu VIP banget ke rumah gitu, baru keluar tuh seremonial itu.
What is the ceremonial version of an Indonesian food? Indonesia apa? Sariwangi. We can't say that, Brian. Can we? Oh yeah, ceremonial
itu
sariwangi.
teh kemasan.
Yeah.
Seremonial tuh apa ya?
What food do we bring out kalau occasionalnya tuh special?
Susah deh, kita tuh terdiri dari banyak banget pulau.
Oke, Jawa deh, Jawa. Foto Jawa.
Maybe sesuatu yang bentuknya ada daging sapinya kali, karena dianggap daging sapi paling mahal.
Ya.
Nggak mungkin daging babi dong.
Ya.
Nanti yang yang Islam kan nggak mungkin makan.
I've seen di beberapa video, they have these leaves that they chew on, and it's like a red nut.
Daun sirih.
Yeah, and they have like something that's red in it, and they spit it out. I don't know what it's called.
Ya.
Apa
Daun
namanya?
sirih, kapur.
Uh-huh.
Makannya pakai kapur, daun sirih sama pinang. Yang merah itu buah pinang and a little bit of tobacco. Ini kan bukan kulineri, jadi kita harus ngomongin yang lain kan?
This is just an interesting conversation to me.
Oh, jadi acara ini bisa conversation apa aja?
Ini the show. I just want to be super relaxed. We are not food professionals. We are not coffee professionals. We are just people that like to eat. I'm a person that likes to eat and likes to drink.
Tadi Mama sempat kesana ngeliatin koleksi kaos-kaosnya. They make shirts. I guess you make money from that ya kalau kita punya usaha makanan ya. Terus mereka juga punya protein shake-nya. Tapi sih bukan punya mereka sendiri ya. Kayaknya itu nitip narok gitu. Terus tapi yang menarik adalah the coffee they serve, Blacklist Coffee Roasters itu mereka ngambil dari roastery Blacklist yang adalah, tahu Mama itu dari Melbourne deh, dari Australia. Nah terus tadi Mama sempat lihat si tiramisu high proteinnya itu. Menarik deh.
What's the best coffee you've tasted? Personally.
Brazil, yang I like ya. Sama Bali tuh, Bali Munduk, aku suka juga.
Mundu. Where is that? What is that?
An area.
Okay. I should really get out of the house more.
Sama, for some reason, aku suka juga kopi. I think the beans. No, Sasefood. Aceh. I think it was Aceh.
What makes it
Can't
so
remember.
good about these kopi-kopi ini? Kenapa enak tuh?
Tapi kan itu nggak bisa langsung bilang enak apa gimana ya kan. Untuk kopi itu ruwet deh.
Buat mama ya?
How it is washed, how it is roasted, how it is brewed, the temperature, the water you use.
What's your favorite type of coffee? As a drink, I mean. You wanna go classic with an ice? Atau mau kayak
Itu mah.
so fancy gitu kayak, oh I like a... What, I don't
Yang
know
jelas
what's
aku bukan tipe americano sih.
too strong.
Kayak for me no, aku lebih cappuccino girl, atau kalau misalnya lagi nggak mau minum banyak-banyak yang kecil aja piccolo.
Mungkin kalau nggak ada yang tahu di sini kita pernah bikin
Coffee
shop.
shop. Namanya Pepita and
Sons. Recently
We
closed
had to
down.
close.
Yeah.
Nah, di pause. Jangan ngomong close down dong, Mama masih sedih.
What did you learn about coffee from that?
You have to remember it started with the vegan donuts ya. And then I learned about coffee to pair with it untuk jadi temen.
What's one thing you learned about business?
Business itu takes discipline and consistency yang adalah kami lakukan dan sungguhlah melelahkan, harus ditungguin. Lalu buat mama, bisnis dan pelayanan ya, ministry kepada untuk orang-orang, melayani orang-orang sekitar, itu juga harus bisa menemukan balance yang sweet spot. Kalau enggak, kita akan selalu mendapatkan pegawai yang menggunakan kartu itu, like ibu sama bapak baik kok, fine-fine aja, and then that's where corruption starts and bohong-bohong dimulai gitu. Nah,
Have you had a message mungkin untuk orang-orang yang pernah datang ke Pepita, berterima kasih gitu? Maybe you could say it now.
makasih ya yang udah pernah berkunjung ke Pepita. I can just say thank you untuk kepercayaannya. That's it.
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Kalau kalian ada tempat unik atau apa yang kalian mau kasih saya recommendation gitu,
Atau topik unik yang mau dibahas.
ya, just send jangan send ya, ketik di komen atau just DM me at my Instagram right there, and you guys can give me recommendations on cafes and unique stuff to do. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching Senja Semeja. Selalu ada tempat buat kamu.